Eagles, I am so excited that you are tuned in to this very special ENN Pie in the Face edition. I have here our book of the month. I want to remind everybody to enjoy Memoirs of an Elf and to please snap those elfies for our project out on the bulletin board. So without any further ado, I first want to present Mr. Villalba, who has been working from home because he's attending a training, but he still was a good sport and he participated in our Pie in the Face. Enjoy, you guys.
Hi, FME Eagles. It's Mr. V here. I'm very proud that you guys hit your milestone. I know it's been a while, but we didn't forget. It's just been a crazy time. So, as promised, you guys voted that I get a pie in the face. I don't know why you would choose me, but I have my lovely daughter here. What is your name, daughter? Arabella. She's 4 years old, and she's gonna do the honor of getting to pie her daddy in the face. So at the count of 3, Arabella, I'm gonna give this to you, and you're gonna smash it in my face, okay?
But you won't be able to.
Just hard. You smash it hard in my face, okay? Ready? Are you all ready? 1, 2, 3. Congratulations, and I can't wait for the next milestone. I think we need to get Miss Cabral or Miss Gomez in the next one. Bye.
Good afternoon, Eagles, and happy Friday. This is Mrs. Cabral here, and I am so proud of you for your AR. You guys have met our goal of reading 10 million words, so thank you, Eagles. And part of our deal was for Pie in the Face.
Pie in the Face! So who do we have here, Miss Cabral, to get the pie?
We have Coach Jaime is here with us, who was the one person or one out of the 2 people who you voted to get pied in the face. So I believe we have Adeline here ready with her pie. Are you ready, Adeline?
Let me get a close-up. You ready, Adeline?
I'm ready.
Coach, are you ready?
Strike 1.
Yeah. Is the audience ready? Let's do our pie in the face chant.
Pie in the face. Pie in the face. Pie in the face. Pie in the face.
All right, Adeline, this is it.
Oh, sit it down.
Let's count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How do you feel, Coach? How do you feel?
All pied up.
Give a cheer for Coach!
Congratulations, Eagles. We are so proud of you. Continue to read those words and be ready for our next challenge. Thank you to Mr. Villalba and thank you to Coach Jaime for being a good sport and getting pied in the face. See you next time.
Eagles, did you guys enjoy that presentation? So I want to give a special shout out to Mr. Villalba, Mr. V, and another special shout out to Coach Jaime. Woo! But remember, you guys earned this pie in the face because you read 10 million words on AR. Isn't that cool, guys? So don't forget, 25 million words read, and you will be treated to a TikTok flash mob dance from the teacher. You guys ready to do some TikToking? Yeah? I think so. No, Zoe? Yes, Zoe? No?
No.
Oh, we'll see about that. You guys have a good afternoon, and thanks for tuning in to our ENN special. Bye.